my name is Miss Liz from the Patchogue-Medford Library, and today I'm going to show you how to put together your Book Bistro Cookie Jar Kit. Starting December 1st, you can pick up your kit in the Patchogue-Medford Library Children's Department, and it will have all the dry ingredients you need to make your very own chocolate chip cookies at home, including flour, baking soda, salt, brown sugar, white sugar, and chocolate chips. The only things that you'll need at home are a stick and a half of butter, 1 egg, and some vanilla extract. So now I'm going to show you how to put your chocolate chip cookies together. The first thing that you have to do is make sure you wash your hands before working with any ingredients. It's always important to have clean hands when working in the kitchen. Step 2, with your grown-ups' help, you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Step 3 is going to be taking your butter and putting it in a bowl with your egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, again, with your grown-ups' help, you could either use a hand mixer or you could use a spoon. And you're going to beat all of your wet ingredients together. Make sure they're really well combined before moving on to the dry ingredients. The next step is going to be to add your jar of dry ingredients to your bowl of wet ingredients. Make sure you get all your ingredients out of the bottom of the jar. Then you're going to mix everything together. When your mix looks something like this, all nice and together and doughy, you're ready to start making cookies. You need a cookie sheet that's a little bit greased with some oil or butter, and either a cookie scoop or a teaspoon or tablespoon at home works just fine. So you're going to scoop small balls of cookie dough and drop them on your cookie sheet. Space them a little bit far apart because as they start to heat up, they're going to spread out and you don't want them to stick together. And then you're going to put your cookies in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Right, while we're waiting for our cookies to bake in the oven, I'm going to read you a story. This story is called The Cow Loves Cookies by Karma Wilson, and it's one of my favorite books, so I hope you enjoy it. Ready? Whenever Farmer feeds the horse, he feeds the horsey hay, of course. The horses just love to nibble hay. He eats it every single day. But the cow loves cookies. There he is, stealing a cookie. Farmer knows what chickens need. He always gives them chicken feed. They scratch and cluck and peck all day. They love their feed, and horse loves hay. But the cow loves cookies. The farmer feeds the geese each morn. He always gives them sweet cracked corn. They honk for joy and flap their wings. They love the corn that farmer brings. Hay for horses, yes indeed. Give those chickens chicken feed. Corn for geese, they love it so. But when it comes to cows, we know that the cow loves cookies. When farmer feeds the hogs their slop, they love to eat that gooey glop. They oink and snort, they grunt with glee. They eat like pigs, it seems to me. Of course we know the horse loves hay, and chickens love their feed each day. Geese love corn, as all geese should. The pigs think slop is mighty good. But cow would never eat that stuff. You couldn't pay the cow enough because the cow loves cookies. And farmer's dog just loves to eat when farmer gives him doggy treats. He gulps and gobbles with delight. He savors every meaty bite. Hay is what the horsey needs. The chickens all eat their chicken feed. The geese munch corn, it tastes so fine. The hogs think slop is just divine. The dog adores his doggy treats, but cow would rather eat things sweet. So, why does the cow love cookies? Well, she and farmer made a deal, and every day they share a meal. Farmer packs a picnic lunch, and when the two sit down to munch, he takes his cookies from a tin, and cow gives milk to dunk them in. Yum, says farmer, cow says moo. Cow is happy, farmer too. They both love milk and cookies. The end. When it's time to take your cookies out of the oven, make sure you have a grown-up's help. You're going to use an oven mitt to take them out because the pan's going to be really hot. And you're going to put it on either a pot holder or some sort of heat-safe item on your countertop. See, don't they look pretty? They came out really good. All right, after a few minutes, have your grown-up help you. Use a spatula to take the cookies off the pan and onto a plate. And wait until they're completely cool before you eat them because they are hot and you don't want to get burned. And then you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's Book Bistro lesson. For more recipes, come to the library and check out any one of our cookbooks, and we'll see you there.